Hit it.
Mom. Hi, ladies. We are here with the 142 subbies contest. We're doing the winners today. So, okay. You have to PM my mom your address so she can send the packages in tomorrow in the morning. Okay.
So y'all ready to know who the winner is? Do a little drum roll. Okay.
Okay, there.
Winner number 1 is
Latina Nails, her second video.
Yay! Come on, you're supposed to be enthusiastic here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I guess she's not.
Yay! Now I said it.
Now the second winner is...
Mom, why
You're supposed to make all that noise. Like where your
there
drum
you go.
roll is?
Shelly B.
With her popsicle design. That's it right there. So ladies, you have 24 hours to PM me your information so I can hopefully send everything out in the morning so you will have it in by this week. Thank you all the other ladies for entering. And that's it.
Bye.
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 You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.